Hi, my name is Eric Olson, and I'm one of the founders of Consensus. Today, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what Consensus is, and then I'm going to give you a quick demo on how to use the tool effectively. In a sentence, what Consensus is an AI search engine for academic research papers. Really importantly, in that description, we are a search engine at the core that uses AI in and around the product to make it more efficient and time-saving. We are not, however, just a chatbot or a foundational model. So to start, Consensus is about a 3-year-old company. And today, we're incredibly lucky to say that we have over 3 million people using Consensus worldwide. These users are students, researchers, university faculty, doctors, all sorts of types of people who need faster access to research across the globe. And then we're also very lucky to partner with multiple world-class organizations, including the University of Virginia. To say again what Consensus is, we are an AI-powered search engine specifically for academic research papers. We pride ourselves on trying to combine the ease of use, the user-friendly, intuitive interface like we're used to in these new AI tools, with the rigor, stability, and type of index that typically comes with an academic search engine. To go a little bit further in this, of what exactly Consensus is, so to start, what is in the product is about 200 million research papers that come from the Semantic Scholar database. This includes coverage from most of the Q1 highest impact journals. To move to the search bucket, I won't bore you with technical details, but the way a Consensus search works is think of it as a hybrid search methodology. We allow you to come to the product and search via keywords or exact match on an author's name or a paper title, but we also layer in AI-driven semantic search, which means you can come interact with the product more conversationally and type in natural language questions, and we'll still hopefully find you relevant and reliable research papers. And then on the right, how we use AI in the product. The way to think about it is AI that happens after a search is done. So again, I said we're a search engine at our core. That means every time you interact with the product, we're going to go searching for relevant research papers, and then we'll use AI models to help synthesize, summarize, and extract information from those papers to help create a more efficient experience. But it all happens after a search. That means we will always cite our sources and we will never make up a paper title. All right, now I'm going to take you into the product. So if you come to Consensus, you'll see a classic search engine experience. So I'm going to show you an example of typing with natural language. So I'm going to come here and say, what is the impact of climate change on developing countries? I spelled countries wrong. So first, you're going to see it start to stream back text to you. What I'm actually going to do is skip this text part and show you what happens below first. So everything below this results tab are the papers that we found from our search. So again, everything starts with a search of the relevant research. So this bolded text is the title of a paper. This gray text box is an insight that our AI models have pulled from the paper relevant to your question. Below here, we have relevant metadata from this paper, the date that it was published, the citation count, the authors, and the journal. Further, if you look in the bottom right corner, we have what we call our action buttons. This allows you to, one, save a paper to the product that you can access later. You can create a list that you're working on to save papers to. This quote button generates a citation for this paper in a variety of different reference formats. Then the far right is a link to auto copy that text so that you can share that paper. If you want to dig in further into a paper, if you click this snapshot button, didn't have very many attributes to it, but we'll have a set of models look further into the paper to pull out relevant information, like what was the methodology, what were the outcomes they studied, and what were the results of the paper. We're looking at a socioeconomic question, so the details of the study designs are a little bit lesser than if you were looking up a biomedical question. But now we'll scroll all the way back to the top, and now we'll go to our AI generated section. So this whole section is an AI model interacting with the search results below. You'll see every insight that we are sending back to the user is equipped with an inline citation. If you hover over that, you'll be able to see the information of that paper here. If you click on that citation, it will take you directly to that paper below. And even further, if you want to go directly into that paper, you can simply click that button there, and it will take you into a page where you can see the abstract, metadata, with then a link to access the full text of that paper. Think about this whole section as an intelligent AI model that is giving you the quick overview of what the papers that were returned for your search say. It is not attempting to automate your work. It's not attempting to do your work for you. It's attempting to save you time in understanding what the papers related to your search say so that you can decide what to dig into further. Thank you so much for listening to this demo. You can reach me at eric@consensus.app if you have any questions, and we're really excited to keep partnering with you.